Hey everyone, welcome back to the CRLS channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of my new FPV drone, the DJI Avata2. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Let's get started. The damage of the box actually came with this empty space, so there you go, DJI Avata2. And I bought the Fly More combo with 3 batteries. Everything else in this box, so there you go. Let's open it up and see what comes inside. So we have this plastic protection. We have something here saying DJI Avata2 combo battery, saying what comes inside the box. In Italy, yeah. So I searched this shop. I bought it online, so you never know where it comes from, but apparently it's an Italian shop. Alright, so we still have the seal, which is good. As you can see here, it doesn't seem to be broken at all, so which is more reassuring. And the box itself, apart from some slight damage here, seems to be intact. Alright, so let's open it up. There you go. And inside, scan the code before first use. Alright, it's probably some instructions on how to fly the drone. Well, I will do it eventually. So let's take it off. So here comes the bag. Wow, nothing else inside. Look, I'm gonna be honest, the bag, it's really nice, huh? Seems really good quality. It's quite something like between leather and a rubber material. Seems to be very protective. Alright, so what do we have inside? I'll open this way. There you go. Right, so here you will have a bunch of things. So some tools, some USB cables, the 1, 2, 3, some replacements for the propellers. Here it seems to be the quick start guide, and it looks like it's some stickers, DJI stickers. Alright, it's nice touch. And here we have another USB. Oh, you have, I think this is a head sponge to put in the goggles. And I think if you're using specs, this is what you need to take to your favorite shop to graduate them, so you can see through the goggles. Alright, So what else do we have here? So here is nothing. Silicone gel. Now let's start with this small one. Okay, so this is the controller. Right, it's quite nice. It fits in very well in the hand. It's not heavy, but it looks good. Alright, we have some strap here as well, so you can fit it in. What else? We have the charger bay and the extra 2 batteries. Here you go. Plus the goggles. And there you go. Real nice ones, to be honest. Yeah, so these are the antennas. So you put it up. These are the front cameras, so you can see what's in front of you while you fly the drone. And what is this? No, it's just a protective sponge. So here's the battery of the goggles, and there you go. So this is how it comes. So you can adjust at some level of diopters, but we will test it later. Yeah, it does look good. The pad here, so I think this is the extra pad that come there. I think it was to put here. So it looks really cool. Yeah. This is very rubbery, it's very thin. Well, hopefully it's not gonna be damaged over time. On the future we'll tell. And last but not the least, the drone. There you go. It's bigger than I thought it would be. So I don't have a very big hand, but you know, so it looks good. I was seeing something weird here, but it's just this plastic that wasn't really the gimbal. So gimbal protector. Go, let's fit again. So that's it. There's nothing else inside. As you can see, the size of the bag is very decent. You can make some separations here. We have this pocket here. We have some side pockets as well. And have something in the bottom to make it harder. Yeah, so that's it. Alright guys, put a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one.